Have you ever wondered how to digitize a building or a parcel of land directly on a map? Ladies and gentlemen, in this video, I will show you how to step-by-step digitize a small parcel in QGIS. Digitizing parcels is essential in urban planning, land management, and research. It allows you to record boundaries, calculate areas, and create datasets that can be shared or analyzed later. With QGIS, this process becomes accessible to anyone. Now let's start the process. I will be using this as my study area with OpenStreetMap as the base map. Our first step will be creating a new shapefile layer on top of the base map so the original map remains unchanged. Next, by using the polygon tool, I will digitize buildings by tracing their points. Each polygon is stored with attributes like building's names or ID, which you can see in the attribute table. Now, to calculate the area, I have simply applied the area calculation function to the attribute fields. QGIS will automatically update the measurements. Finally, I customized the polygons using symbology, changing colors, adding labels like owners and building names, and adjusting the display properties. This process doesn't stop at one building. You can digitize entire neighborhoods, agriculture parcels, or city blocks. Once complete, the data can be exported as a shapefile and used across platforms for planning, analyzing, and visualization. The key takeaway in this is that just by learning a few tools in QGIS, such as layer creation, snapping, attribute tables, and symbology, you can turn raw base maps into meaningful data sets that represent the real world. If you found this video useful and want to learn more practical GIS techniques, make sure to subscribe and check out our other tutorials on QGIS.